Hello, my name is Caley and welcome to a new and updated version of the Heavy Chef YouTube channel. Well, let's start by saying, what is Heavy Chef? Heavy Chef is a platform for people that do, and it comes from the name Never Trust a Skinny Chef, which makes a lot of sense. Well, instead of bringing people onto the stage that have perhaps mastered their art from a theoretical standpoint, Heavy Chef brings people onto a stage and into masterclasses that are doers. They have walked the talk, they have rolled up their sleeves, they've gotten stuck in and have become masters at their craft. What Heavy Chef allows is for these people to give their learnings to a group or a community of intrapreneurs, entrepreneurs, and graduates in order to expand the learnings into a wider community. At the moment, Heavy Chef exists primarily in South Africa, but Heavy Chef has a vision of expanding into developing nations across the globe. Well, because we meet such incredible people both in South Africa and recently people coming over to grace the Heavy Chef stage from abroad, a natural extension is to create content on these incredible people so that we can share the learnings into the community. And that right here is what you will find on the Heavy Chef YouTube channel. But not only will these people be creating content here, they will also be featuring on the Heavy Chef stage for our events side of the product offering and at masterclasses, which is the masterclass workshop driven side of Heavy Chef's product offering. First and foremost, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. I think that it is right over here. I'm hoping that I'm pushing the right side of the screen. You can click subscribe on our YouTube channel. And of course, check out all things Heavy Chef at www.heavychef.com, where you can sign up to come and join a learning experience, attend an event, or give of your lessons back into the Heavy Chef community. And that, folks, is Caley Africa signing out of the Heavy Chef YouTube channel for now.